Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk about the differences between a bandsaw and a scroll saw. Now, essentially, these two tools can do virtually the same thing. They can cut curves out of wood, depending on the thickness of the blade. The scroll saw does a little bit better job on that because the blade is a little bit thinner. You can make straight cuts with both of these tools. And they both also have a articulating tabletop so that you can cut wood on an angle up to a 45-degree angle. The major difference is the scroll saw is a much more precise tool. If you're working with smaller pieces of material where you need to get really clean cuts, then the scroll saw is a better choice. Say you're building some shelving or you're doing some kind of project where you need to cut a bunch of pieces of wood at 4 inches each and maybe you got to cut 6, 10, 15 of them, then a bandsaw is a better choice for that. Quite frankly, if you're doing any kind of woodworking, you need both because you'll see once you use these tools, there are differences, but it all depends on the project that you're doing. Coming up next, my video on 3 ways to use a jigsaw.